Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to the world of Wii Sports. In this video, I will explain how to play Wii Sports. To begin, make sure your Wii console is connected to your television and powered on. Next, sync your Wii remote by pressing the 1 and 2 buttons together. This classic game offers 5 exciting sports for you to enjoy, including tennis, baseball, bowling, golf, and boxing, providing hours of fun for everyone. Let's get started. Mastering the Wii remote is key to an immersive experience. Always remember to attach and tighten the wrist strap to prevent accidental drops during vigorous play. Hold the remote comfortably in your hand, pointing it directly at the sensor bar positioned above or below your television. The prominent button on the top surface is your primary tool for making selections and confirming choices within the game menus. Ready to play your first game? From the main menu, point your Wii remote and select a sport, such as bowling, which is a great starting point. You will then be prompted to create a new Mii character or choose an existing one to represent you in the game. Once in the game, simply mimic the real-life actions of the sport, like swinging your arm to bowl a ball or hit a tennis shot. To truly excel at Wii Sports, consider these advanced tips. Always calibrate your Wii remote before starting a new game to ensure the most accurate tracking of your movements. Pay close attention to your Mii character's actions on screen. They often provide visual cues that can help you refine your own physical technique. Don't be afraid to experiment with varying swing speeds and angles to find your perfect strategy for each sport.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.